Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I am back at my pottery wheel and I have some colors mixed up over here. And I'm going to be trying I have another 12-inch round. And I'm sure because I know Julie Cube always says everything's been done before. So I'm sure this has been done before. I want to try a Dutch pour on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flood this canvas with gold. And I'm going to be doing, I want to try a dirty pour. When I make instead of making lines, I want to just make my lines with the dirty pour. And then blow that out and see how it comes. And if it doesn't come, I'll just scrape it and start all over again. So I'm going to make my cup first, because we won't need too much in color. So I'm sure this is enough. I don't want too many colors. I don't want to muddy it up. I just want to try something very simple. So here's some of a special purple that I have mixed, and here's a Arteza Prussian blue, and this is an Artist Loft white, and this white has a little bit of iridescent medium in it from Artist Loft Iridescent Medium, and I guess might as well put a little of that gold in there too while we're at it. Just put a drop of it. And looks like there's a lot of that purple, so more of that Prussian blue. Actually, I think this is way too much paint now that I'm looking at it for what I'm looking to do. So who knows, maybe we'll do something different. Yeah, so I'm just going to put this over to the side here. I'm going to put down my gold. Lovely thing about having a pottery wheel is it does a lot of the work for you. Okay. So here we go. Need much there. That's interesting. So let's see. Put that down. Let's put the extra around. We could go. That a minute to settle in. And I hope everyone is doing well out there. Get any bubbles that I have in here out. Roll it over. calling it a day on this one. Take you in for a close-up in a few minutes. I'm really happy with this. I really love the way this came out. Definitely could not have gotten what I got here without a pottery wheel, without all that force and the turning and the spinning. Yeah, I really love those big boulders there. I love the lacing I got. Everything. This little ring pour in the corner that I did. Happy with the whole piece. So please let me know in the comments below how you feel about this. Give me a thumbs up if you feel I deserve it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll be back tomorrow. It's a pour a day. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off, and please wait for the close-up. Bye-bye now. Be safe out